This, ladies and gentlemen, is my all-time favorite 992 model.
525 horsepower, literally GT3 RS manual.
What? It's actually the perfect German car money can buy. 3 to 1. Nice. Proper Porsche. Hello guys, I am back today welcoming you all with this. Ladies and gentlemen, today we will be talking about my all-time favorite 992 model. We have the 2025 model Porsche 911 ST, and in today's video I want to show you everything you need to know about it. We are right now at Holman International. Here they have almost every single super and hypercar you can imagine. And most of these cars are for sale. For example, this one here as well. This is the 2025 model 911 ST. And what is this actually all about? So with this car here, the GT3 RS, and this car here, the GT3, had a child, it would look like this. I mean, there was a touring, so this looks more like the other guy. But this, ladies and gentlemen, is my all-time favorite 992 model. Why? Because it's so cool. So let me show you, 2023, Porsche turned 60 years. So for the anniversary of the 60th birthday, they've decided to give us this model here, the 911 ST, which is actually a manual GT3 RS in a body of a GT3 Touring, but it's more than that. Did you know that this here, and the door, and the roof, is full finished in carbon fibers to save weight. We also have no rear axle steering to save more weight, and in addition to that we have magnesium wheels to save even more weight. So in total, let me check, we have total weight of 1,380 kilograms, which is 40 kilograms lighter than the GT3. Let me show you more about what you want to see. We will be doing this, we will be doing this, and then we have a bit of a view of this. Technically, we have the engine sitting somewhere in between here. We have the 911 992 engine, the ST model here, which is actually GT3 RS engine. It's a 4-liter flat 6 engine producing 525 horsepower. So cool. This is the only thing you can actually see. And we can close that. There you go. We have the golden finish 911 ST plaque here, and something really cool is that the Porsche is all finished in gold as well, since we have the Heritage Edition, the Heritage Design Package, that's what it's called. The Heritage Design Package gives us the shore blue metallic exterior paint here that looks absolutely stunning. Then additionally, every single customer can choose their own number from 1 to 99. We have the 63 here, which I really love. It's one of my favorite numbers. I don't know why, but it doesn't have a lot to do with Porsche at that point. Anyways, the car looks really cool. The interior is really nice. And yeah, let's talk more about this car. I totally forgot to mention the top speed is actually limited at 300 kph. That's how the interior looks like. Wow. Really nice. We have the bucket seats here, full finished in carbon fiber, something I really love. You can see that here all around. They are quite comfortable and they look really cool, in addition with the shore blue exterior paint here with the nice, I think, cognac interior here, just like saddle brown leather finish. The materials used is really cool. We have a roll cage here, which is finished in carbon fiber as well, which looks kind of cool. And my main highlight is this thing here. I love this. This is so cool. 525 horsepower, literally GT3 RS manual. What? If there's one thing I really want to drive, it's this car here, the 911 ST. I really want to see how this car drives. We have lightweight, we have a manual 525 horsepower 4-liter flat 6. It actually looks like a regular 911, right? That's what I love about this. This is the most German car I've ever seen. And yeah, this is it's actually the perfect German car money can buy. Let's start with the rear. the overall finish. I just lifted up the wing. You can also put that back on. It automatically moves all the way up when driving in higher speeds. I think up to 100 kph it already lifts up. Kind of cool, but I like the way it looks when it's down. It's more subtle. It's more like a Porsche look. We have the GT3 specific exhaust here. Really cool, the setting here. In general, the car looks so discreet, it looks so classic, and I think it's the perfect way to celebrate 60 years of Porsche, right? And that's what you also see here. As I mentioned, we have this badging here on the left hand side, also on the right hand side. This looks so cool, full finished in gold to match with the heritage look. Since back in the days they also had that, the gold plaque. Really cool, the finish is so nice. Here you can already have a view. I think this is glass, yeah. But anyways, here you can have a direct view on the roll cage. In the back you have no space at all. I mean, you can actually squeeze in a few bags, but that's it. That's about it. Let me also show you what you have in the front. Here you go. And it's also finished in carbon fiber. That's what I also want to show you. 3, 2, 1. Here you go. It's full finished in carbon fiber, as I mentioned. You get tons of storage room. You can see that here. You also get this 911 ST car cover, I guess, and a lot of space. I'm honest, this is a lot of space, which you don't get with the GT3 RS. Let me just close it back in here. Also here, the iconic Porsche crest here. Really cool. Golden finishing. There we go. So I just turned on the lights for you. These are the X-Sight 992 generation lights. They look really cool. I love the way these look. I mean, they've changed them with the facelifted model, which we actually have sitting right over here. Let me just show you. That's the pre-facelift, right? Let me show you the facelifted look. Here you go. These are the facelifted headlights. That's how they look like. This looks really cool. I mean, here at Holman you have everything. This is the GT3 Touring 992.2, and these are the HD Matrix headlights. Which one do you actually prefer? Do you prefer the pre-facelift, the 992.1, or the 0.2 one? Short blue metallic looks really cool, and we also have your chrome trim all around. Magnesium wheels, as mentioned, carbon ceramic brakes. This is proper lightweight here. Really cool. Let me think about the size. I think these are 20 in the front, right? Yeah, these are 20 in the front and 21s in the back. They look so cool. With the center lock here, the carbon ceramic brakes, brake calipers finished in black. Really nice. Jumping inside, here we have it. The interior is so cool. Let me jump inside and give you more insights. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Here we are. Inside the 911 ST. When you jump inside, you can already notice the heritage icons of cool design light here. This is the most German thing I've ever seen. Just look at that. It's underneath the door somewhere here, but I can't reach it right now. Something really cool that I also love about this is the door handle here. If you want to open the door, you have to pull this latch. There you go, and it opens. Really nice. The way they actually did it is, I mean, they did it for lightweight to save a few more grams on the door handles and the entire thing, but this is so motor sporty, so I love this a lot. But yet again, they've worked with a lot of leather. I think leather, in terms of lightweight and saving weight, Alcantara would be a better option. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but we have a lot of leather in the inside of this one here. Let me just start the ignition. We have the key on the left hand side. Here we go. The 911 ST dials. This is actually a regular one. All these other ones are displays. That's what I love about this car. Really appreciate it. So that's how it looks from the interior POV view. Huge fan of this iconic view with the 992.2. There's actually start-stop button here, and we have everything digital now. There's nothing. I think, yeah, we still have the clock, but apart from that, I mean, they've fully digitalized the interior, which I don't like. I like it the way it is with the 992.1. This generation is my all-time favorite. The interior is really cool. And now, to start up the car, all you have to do is push the clutch, the brakes, and then you can start it up from the left-hand side. 3, 2, 1. Nice. So as soon, I mean, I can leave my foot off the clutch. But yeah, you can already see that. Yeah, we have a rev limiter with this one. 4,000 RPM. It's okay. Proper Porsche, really cool. I really wonder how this drives, and when you push it all the way to 9,000 RPM, the way it sounds, I really want to experience it. I can't wait. Maybe we'll do that. Maybe we'll find someone that will give me his car to drive, or maybe we'll get it from Porsche. Who knows? Let's see what the future will have for us. That's about it for the 911 ST, guys. How do you like it? How do you like the car, the idea of it all? I think it's the best 992.1 you can actually buy. Let's see what they will be doing with the 992.2. 911 ST, most German car I've ever seen. Very traditional, very historical, very cool. Get one. I think they are limited to 1,963 pieces and they are already fully sold out. Lovely. Rate the car from 1 to 10 in the comment section below. Already looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back. Really cool. I've never shifted with left, so excuse me.